Hey everybody, and welcome to Stock Abilities. I covered this stock previously. It is the Naked company. Now, this is basically an apparel company. If some of you are not familiar, they offer a variety of different clothing for individuals to wear. Now, the two main pieces of news here to focus on for this company and why I believe it's going to be continuing to pop even into next week, why it's a good buy anything below $3-4 is because of this here. This is the Naked Brand Group and Bendon Limited announced letter of intent to merge. So there's a potential for a merge upcoming here. And mergers are always a good thing, combining assets and all of that. And all of the money combined here, you got the Bendon generated approximately 144 million or 100 million in net sales. That's a good growth addition to the current company Naked. You read into this some more here, but mergers are mergers and they're always a positive. So that is something to look forward to in the near future. Now, this was January 13th. There hasn't been any official notice that the merger has completed yet, but they were estimating in the first quarter, and this is the first quarter. So, of course, it is something to consider. Now, of course, you got HSN here, apparel line that they're kind of pushing out and helping called Comfortably You with the Naked brand company. I covered that in my last video if you want to hear a little bit more about that. As you can see here, there's multiple different spots that you seen it pop up on, and they popped up on other days too as well. You got a lot of different clothing that they kind of pushed. Of course, you think HSN and you say, oh, it's only $60, but then you combine that by 100, 200, 300, 500 or more sales, and it goes up and up and up. That's a lot of profit in a very short amount of time, even in just a few days. They keep doing this over the weeks or the months, you're going to get a lot of capital. And they posted this right on Valentine's Day in that general area here. So you're going to get even more on top of that for sales. It's about the best thing that Naked brand and HSN could probably do for this clothing brand. Also interesting what the hosts are wearing. You got the Comfortably You draped front wrap with hood. So you got the hosts even on HSN wearing it. So they're really, really trying to push this. This is the Comfortably You brand group partnership that indicates that they're going to be airing and all that. So you can read into this here. But essentially, HSN and Naked Brand are not merging, but like a partnership to post online here, both online and through the videos, through their HSN network on TV, things like that. So there's a lot of profit that's going to be coming in. Their earnings report is going to look really great. Something else to note here is that the 200-day simple moving average, 20% above, and the 52-week high, they reached a new high. So these are something to consider. You can add in other different things here. The simple answer is that they're above their average that they've been in a very long time, and that's very simply because they got the HSN on there and they got the potential upcoming mergers. So take those two in, factor that in, factor in that they're posting a lot of different SEC filings here. They're keeping up with it, and they're really, really pushing the potential merger here coming up and all this other stuff here with just a whole lot here to look into. As you can see, Bendon has a lot of history. Naked has a lot of history. The merger was on the January 13th of 2017 was the proposed merger of the two companies, and it's still pending, but when that merger news pops out, this company will pop even further. You got the third quarter net sales grew 74% as compared to last year, which was roughly a lot less. For the 9 months ended in October, they only increased 38%, but that's still a lot of money here in a combined expansion of the two. And going a little bit further, SEC filings further down, and then brand portfolio for Bendon and all this stuff. And you keep scrolling here. There's a lot of potential upcoming here. So if you're bored and you want to read through some of it, or if you find it interesting for a long-term position, there's going to be a lot of upcoming growth. So keep that in mind and make sure to pay attention and follow this stock. I believe it will be popping next week. Not quite sure what the estimated stock price is, but as long as it holds above $1.60, $1.70, something like that, that's a very easy buy-in point. Once it breaks that point, be very careful on holding onto the stock, which puts it at risk, but I don't believe it will. If you really want to go in for a long position, you can try to wait for that, but I think it's probably not going to go down there anytime soon. A good point maybe to buy in as $1.70 to $2. If it does go that low, I'd expect it to be popping above $4 very soon again. And keep in mind, this is just a stock video. I don't intend to be your stock advisor, so take that risk into consideration. Make sure to like and share this video if you'd like. If you want to comment and have questions or whatever, comment in the comments below on YouTube. And make sure, of course, to subscribe if you want more videos like this. Thanks for listening in, and have a nice day.